What is going on, everybody? Feels like it's been forever, but it's only been about a week since I last made a video, and now I could have made a video on putting the motor back in it and everything, but I decided not to. I just basically, it's time consuming to film, so I did get the motor back in the car and got everything on it. Now, before I show you guys it, there's gonna be some people who hate this, all right? But there's gonna be some people who love it. I'm kind of in between. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but it makes it look really ridiculous. And so now I can monitor both banks with the 102 that I have. The car already runs and idles way better than what it did. This throttle body kind of sucks. I may have to buy a different one. It causes it to not want to idle right. I did adjust it a little bit better, and it has to have a high idle. It kind of sucks, but I mean, it's still about 1,000. It's not too bad, but let me show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, I merged the exhaust into one. And like I said, it does look ridiculous, but it actually works really well, and shouldn't really smell any fumes inside the car anymore. It's actually not too loud. I'll start it up here for just a second. I was warming it up. I need to go drive it around the block really quick and make sure that the transmission fluid is good. It did spill a little bit out when I was trying to put the motor back in the car, so I'm gonna go drive it around and then check it while it's hot, make sure it's all good to go, top it off if not, and then I'm gonna go get some E85. I think later today I am gonna be helping Kyle do some stuff on his MR2, so not really sure what else. I mean, my car should basically be ready for the dyno now. Just wanna go drive around and make sure it's good, but the plan is to dyno it on Saturday. So anyways, let me go ahead and start it up for you guys. Damn it. Every time. Over here changing the front tires out, because these front ones are from 2004 and they're all dry rotted.
Dude, can I be in your YouTube video?
Dude, who is this Metigulous? Who is that dude?
I don't know, I hear he's a faggot.
Okay. But anyways, it's raining outside.
No, it's not.
That's why I didn't do anything with the RX-7, but tomorrow's gonna be the dyno, so I'm gonna be taking it to PFI. Brent's gonna be letting me use his dyno. I don't know if Wyatt's gonna show up.
That'll be a separate video because he has to upload this one because I haven't even seen the car run yet.
Well, yeah. Well, so that's the whole thing. So this video today, I did a whole bunch of stuff on it, making sure it was ready. Did some customer work, but it was raining, so I didn't go rip it for you guys and anything like that. But over here, Wyatt's putting these fresh tires on that are down here.
Thanks to Amazon, not Discount Tire, because you fucking suck ass.
Amazon, $37 a tire, and these are like rated for 130 mile an hour, the highest speed rating I could find. So
and delivered before.
Yeah.
Discount.
2 day, next day, free. But yeah, shout out Wyatt at Sketchy DA. Go check his shit out.
Yeah, what's up, homie? Yeah. All right.
Already had a Rona. We're gonna go get some food later. Sounds like your Civic, bro.
Dang, man.
Them fresh new tires are on. Thank you, Wyatt. Wyatt's over here cleaning some stuff.
Fuck yeah!
For a Duramax motor that he's got to do, but I'm not sure how long this video is going to actually end up being. Sorry I couldn't go rip it, but tomorrow I will get footage of ripping it. It's not supposed to be as rainy and wet out tomorrow, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow we're going to go make some power. Hopefully Wyatt shows up. But yeah.
Maybe.
Till next time, guys. Bye.
Bye! Bye! You're upside down and missing me, you idiot.